Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel being Nimmo. I'm all about cooking, cleaning and organization. So in today's video, I'm going to show you an amazing recipe, my own recipe of how I cook my cupcakes. And a disclaimer, I'm not a pastry chef. So my ingredients are, I have sugar, I'll put in the description box my measurements. I have sugar, milk, vegetable oil, baking powder, my all-purpose flour, easy sheets, vanilla essence and food color. Yes, chocolate food color. I have 2 eggs. I have this large bowl for mixing all the ingredients and a small bowl. I'll show you what this one is for. So as you can see, my batter is ready. So in this separate bowl, I had told you earlier, I want some because I want them to have 2 different colors, because see flavors. This one already it's the vanilla cupcake. This one is for coloring. Preheated my oven. going to put it in the oven. Ten to 15 my cupcakes will be ready. Let us wait and give it some time, and then we'll come back and check. 15 minutes are already over. So and this is how they look, and this smells so nice. So I'm gonna wait for them to cool down for, I guess, 5 minutes, 10, and then we are going to taste them. So my cupcakes are ready, and I've already baked the other mixture, so it's time to onja. Kindly guys, don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment, and also share for another amazing recipes. Thank you. See you on the next one. Bye.